In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the DocuSign watermark from your documents so they look clean and professional. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. First, open your browser and head over to the DocuSign website. Log into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're in, go to the admin section from the top menu. Inside the admin dashboard, look for signing settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to document signing. Scroll until you see watermark configuration. Now, find the option that says Apply watermarks to documents in progress. If it's checked, simply uncheck it. This removes the watermark from your documents during the signing process. Finally, don't forget to hit save at the bottom to apply your changes. From now on, your DocuSign documents will be watermark free and ready to share without distractions. And that's it. Simple, quick and effective. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe and check out my other tutorials for more digital tips.